Good morning, everyone. My name is ARTH, and today I'm going to present my currency converter project, which is the second episode of my Python with Earth series. So, this is my currency converter project, in which I have used the concept of basic variables, giving a choice using the input function, and bulk conversions, float value, and split function. So, particularly here, I have given a choice of whether converting from dollar to rupee or rupee to dollar. Then I have given a choice, enter the choice as one or two. Currency input, we have to enter the multiple currency values that are separate, that have to be separated by commas, so that we can therefore convert them into float values as a part of a list. Then we have to, for every value in the bulk currencies list, there's a choice. If it's one, the choice is one, then converted currency value into 83.52. The converted currencies are in rupees. So this was dollar to rupees. Now this will be rupee to dollars. So these are the converted currency as I have shown in the example. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.